Data engineering is all about building reliable pipelines that turn raw data into actionable insights. Start by mastering Python fundamentals. Aim for 3 to 4 weeks of hands-on coding and small scripts. Next, dive into SQL for 1 to 2 weeks, learning joins, window functions, and performance tuning. Then tackle PySpark on Databricks over 2 to 4 weeks, experimenting with data frames, UDFs, and Delta Lake. After that, spend 2 to 3 weeks getting comfortable with a cloud platform, either Azure or AWS, deploying jobs, managing storage, and automating workflows. Along the way, build as many projects as you can, end-to-end ETL pipelines, real-time streaming demos, or data lakehouse proofs of concept. Finally, earn Azure and Databricks certifications to validate your skills, boost your resume, and build confidence. Follow this roadmap consistently, and you'll be production ready as a data engineer before